Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 17th, 2014. The U.S. stock market is closed. My mild euphoria on Friday, thinking that somehow we were back into profitable trading again, really fizzled today. We had another really rotten day. Very discouraging. We had $8,000 plus open trade on Friday, and everything seemed to fizzle. We had like a trade in BITA that went from nearly $3,000 profit to $400 profit. We had a trade in CCIH, which went from $2,000 profit to a negative $1,000 profit, and then to add insult to injury, JRJC went from positive $1,000 to negative almost $3,000. The bottom line is we closed out almost negative $3,000. So we saw the whole thing go from positive 8,000 to negative 3,000. That's really tough. It's just like, again, everything seemed to fizzle, and it got worse and worse as the day went on. Dow gained 13 points today. Didn't seem to, certainly didn't help us. Just nothing seems to hold up. And then, to make matters worse, we're carrying negative $6,000 going into tomorrow. We only got into 5 trades, and everyone is negative. It just, I want to raise a black flag and go on vacation, but I've been through this before so many times, and the thing is, the whole thing can turn around on a dime, and I have to be here when that happens. We could have one day make $20, $30, $40, even $50,000. This has happened in a single day on a turnaround day, and I got to be here when it happens. But going through this thing day after day after day of just bleeding you a little every single day, it's rough, and I do get very discouraged about it. And yet I'm determined to keep trading, and I'll even be determined to keep doing these videos because I'm really trying to demonstrate just what happens with real-time trading. I'm no phony. I go in there and I do this, and I make a lot of money over time, but it's just like we have so many days like today that just kill you, and you get so discouraged, and that's why most people get out of it. They just can't handle it. Anyway, let's take a look at this. Okay, here's the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see here this 3 days ago was the absolute top. That was an all-time high in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Last 2 days, Friday and today, we're just drifting sideways with very narrow ranges, and not much is happening with the Dow closing actually up 13 points today. But where's it going from here? I don't know, but I want it to go down. I don't, we just are not doing good with this. Right now this is the ceiling, and we're just drifting along on top of it and getting killed in the stocks that we are trading. This, I have no good trades to show you. I just show you the frustrations we face. This is CCIH, that's China Cash, and we had bought this on Friday. It looked really good. We were up about $2,000, maybe even $3,000. I can't remember. $3,000 on China Cash on the close on Friday. It closes near its high. Looked really good. Then bam, up in the morning. It does this beautiful open, but just immediately they jump on it, and within 2 hours we're stopped out way down here with it's $1,000 loss, which is not a huge loss, but you know, we're going from here to here. That's at least $3,000 there, and it's gone, over with really quickly. And I mean, something bad was happening. Obviously, I'm glad to get out of it. Look at that mess. I mean, that's a stock that's just completely given out on us on today. And this is another one. I hate to complain too much about. Here we go. Yeah, this is JRJC, because JRJC has given us an awful lot of profits, and we're way ahead of it. But it's way ahead for the year on this. But we have, when it's volatile, it's very volatile, and it can hurt. And we just, you know, we had a big gap up on Friday and got into this fairly late in the day, but we still closed with about $1,000 profit. It's looked pretty good to me, but this morning, bam, down we go. Tries to rally and then comes back, and we're out here with, you know, close to a $3,000 loss in that. So very difficult day. This is where you really need patience, but it's hard to have patience when you're getting bled every single day. Gotta do it somehow. Somehow I gotta do it, because it will turn around. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.